Hello, and welcome to this video on creating a recipient in the eFileMagick section. We start by navigating to the Filers screen. We can do so by clicking on the Filer drop-down menu and selecting the appropriate filer type. Once the list of filers is loaded, we need to identify the filer in which we will be adding these recipients to. In this case, I want to add a recipient to Test Company 1. Go ahead and click on the Activate button. You'll notice that the button now changes to active, and the top of the screen changes from Test Company 3 to Test Company 1. Once I've finished this step, I can click on Recipients and go down to Manage. Once the recipient screen is loaded, you'll notice it's similar to the Filers screen. We have a search section that allows us to search for any recipients that are contained within this filer. We have a Recipient Details section, which denotes the details of the recipients that are associated with the filer. And then we have a familiar form that represents the form that we're filing on behalf of. We can choose from our list of optional forms above simply by clicking the drop-down and selecting a different form type. In this case, I want to go ahead and file a 1099 miscellaneous form for this new recipient. So I'm going to select 1099 miscellaneous and then click on the New button. Now I need to enter the recipient's details. I'm going to start by entering the recipient's tax ID, name, address, and I'm going to go ahead and select $800 or enter $800 in the non-employee compensation box and click on Save. I've now created a recipient that is pending release for this particular filer. If I wanted to preview my form, I could go ahead and click on the Print button, and the system will generate a PDF preview. Once loaded, you can see that my preview document, which denotes this 1099 miscellaneous form, has now been loaded. This concludes the video on creating a recipient in the eFileMagick system.